Poetry Conclave, and should I stand here? Better? Thank you, Poetry Conclave, and thank you, poet Rajarshi Patranovish, for inviting me here. The name of the book is Pregnant, a collection of 60 sonnets, and as the name suggests, each poem is pregnant with meaning. I have gone through all of them, honestly. I have gone through all of them, and selecting just 2 or 3 was a little difficult, but still, the one that I'm going to begin with is titled Mask. Poet Gopal Lahiri has spoken of the new normal. All of us who are present here are aware of the new normal. This is what we have been trying to accustom ourselves to for the last 1 year, for the past 1 year. But Rajarshi's poem Mask gives us a different perspective altogether. Mask. Covered my face, a colored cloth, sealed my mouth, back and forth, masked my words with corked embrace, timeless tune, lie in grace, closed my nostrils, breathe to live, veiled freshness, reality grieve. Masked inhale in fragrant smell, truth lies in anarchical trail. Closed my eyes to escape the glare, flaunt my darks, newfound flare. Masked my vision to avoid abrasion, sunlight dims, cloudless aberration. Bleeding to live, truthfully whole, my innocent heart, my unmasked soul. Thank you. The next one that I liked immensely is titled Abundance. It runs, don't look for order in abundance. Abundance creates its own order. Don't look for clarity in darkness. Darkness creates its own clarity. Don't look for divisions in identity. Identity creates its own divide. Don't look for lust in love. Love makes its own lust. I look for you in my dark depth. Depth glows in your flickering flame. I look for a day-lit night, night burnt by the sleeping sun. A wave of rhymes, rules, orders, and you fill my abundance. Thank you. Third and final poem, Yearn. Yearn for a drop of solitude. Solitude of loudness, loudness of your whispers. Yearn for the cloud that engulfs our existence of eternity. Yearn for the spring spring that relive happy agonies, agonies of distant past. Yearn for red through purple hues. Silence, yearn love. I yearn you. Thank you once again. Well, I don't write poetry, poems rather, but if everybody writes poetry, who will read them? That is why probably I was called. So thank you very much.
Well, this is extremely embarrassing. Thank you so very much, Tanya. I not request